Introducing the AutoMax 300C and 500C auto feed shredders, the first truly walk-away auto feed shredders. Here are some essential features for easy, trouble-free operation. The primary features of the AutoMax are as follows: a disconnect power switch for complete shutdown, an LED control panel featuring essential controls and icons that give you important information about the shredder's performance, the drawer, the bin door, the bin, and casters for easy mobility. Please read all safety instructions before shredding, or for more information, visit fellows.com. Now let's look more closely at the control panel. The blue on-off button turns the shredder on or off. The blue start button begins the shredding cycle. The blue smart lock icon indicates the bin is locked and will remain so until the shredding job is finished. The blue time delay icon, available only on the 500C, indicates that the time delay feature has been activated and that a shredding job has been scheduled for a later time. The drawer open and bin open icons indicate that the drawer or bin door is open and needs to be secured before shredding. If the bin full icon is illuminated in red, it indicates that it is time to empty the bin. If the remove paper icon is illuminated in red, that indicates a paper jam inside the machine. If the overheat icon is illuminated in red, that indicates the shredder needs time to cool down before continued shredding. AutoMax features the following shredding capabilities. It can shred 8.5-inch by 11-inch paper, 8.5-inch by 14-inch paper, standard staples, standard paper clips, credit cards, CDs and DVDs, junk mail, crumpled paper, messy stacks of paper, also double-sided color printed paper, glossy paper. For shredding mixed media, pull apart more than 20 sheets of paper stapled or paper clipped together. Interlace CDs, DVDs, credit cards, junk mail, or any other material smaller than 8.5-inch by 11-inch between standard sheets of paper. The AutoMax will not shred adhesive labels, bound documents, transparencies, binder clips, more than 20 pages stapled or paper clipped together, laminates, file folders. Please refer to the operations manual for a complete list of materials that cannot be shred. Step 1. Plug in and put disconnect power switch in on position. As a reminder, after turning the disconnect power switch on, the shredder will run through a startup cycle before ready for use. Step 2. Press on to activate. Open drawer and add paper. Close the drawer. Step 3. Press start to begin shredding. Drawer will lock automatically. Just to note, the 500C has a continuous run cycle, while the 300C will shred for up to 30 minutes before needing a 30-minute cool-down period. Use the delayed start feature to schedule a shredding job at a later time, either 30, 60, or 90 minutes later. Once the drawer is loaded, press once for 30-minute delay. One LED will illuminate. Press twice for 60-minute delay. Press 3 times for 90-minute delay. Press 4 times to reset the clock. To cancel delayed start, press and hold clock icon for 2 seconds. To maintain the performance of your AutoMax, you will occasionally need to oil the shredder and clean the AutoStart infrared sensors. All cross-cut shredders require oil for peak performance. Under or over-oiling a machine could lead to issues such as diminished sheet capacity, intrusive noise when shredding, and it could ultimately stop running. To avoid these problems, we recommend you oil your Fellows AutoMax shredder once per month. To oil, apply a light coat of oil between 2 sheets of paper and insert paper into drawer. Close the paper feed drawer and press start to shred the oiled sheets. Only use non-aerosol vegetable oil in a long nozzle container, such as Fellows 35250. Paper detection sensors are designed for maintenance-free operation. However, on rare occasions, the sensors may become blocked by paper dust, causing the motor to run even if there is no paper present. To clean the auto start sensors, turn off and unplug shredder. Locate Auto Start infrared sensors. There are 2 located at the bottom of the paper drawer. Dip cotton swab in rubbing alcohol. Using cotton swab, wipe away any debris from the paper sensors. When the overheat indicator is illuminated, the shredder has exceeded its maximum operating temperature and needs to cool down. This indicator will remain illuminated and the shredder will not operate for the duration of the recovery time. The shredder will not run if the bin door or drawer is open. When illuminated, close the bin or drawer to resume shredding. When illuminated, the shredder waste bin is full and needs to be emptied. Use Fellows Waste Bag 360-8401. When illuminated, refer to Paper Jam in the Advanced Products section of your operations manual. If a critical situation occurs while smart lock is engaged and the shredder drawer needs to be accessed, follow these steps. Step 1. Power off the shredder. Step 2. Locate the access screw on the back of the machine and turn counterclockwise with the 6mm Allen wrench supplied with the machine. Keep turning until the hatch panel is easily removed from the top of the machine. To replace service hatch, position hatch panel back on top of the machine. Hold panel in place while turning the Allen wrench clockwise until you feel resistance. Note that the shredder will not run if the hatch is not in place. By following these simple instructions, you can maintain the performance and fully experience all the advantages and benefits of your AutoMax auto feed shredder. If you have additional questions,